Hey guys, what's up? It's your Scentsy Star Director here, Angie Tallarico Dalton. Welcome to this very gloomy and stormy day in Tennessee. I'm working with what light I can. I have my soft light right here. There's a lot of shadows because there's literally it's very dark and gloomy outside. It is storming, so apologize for that. But you may hear some thunder. So. But I was gonna make a few videos talking about all the exciting things coming next week on March 21st, but I figured why not just have one big video. So I'm actually gonna have timestamps like in this intro right here. So like if you are here for one specific launch, you can click through this video and go straight to where we start talking about that. You don't have to sit through the whole video if you don't want to. But we have a new Scentsy Buddy coming. We have a new spring and summer limited time or limited edition Scentsy Fresh sprays, and then we also have some special huge discounted bundles with our catalog products all from Scentsy for the whole week of March 21st to March 25th. So before we dive in, if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe if you have not already. And also I have a Wickless weekly email newsletter that I create that goes out every Thursday, and then some exciting days in between with a special perk for new subscribers. Also, if you never want to miss a beat in the Scentsy world, please just text Wickless to this number right here and it will subscribe you to my Wickless Charm and VIP text. Okay guys, that's it. We have a lot to talk about, so let's go ahead and dive on in. So first I want to talk about the two items, well it's more than two, but the two collections that are launching on March 21st and while supplies last. So they're going to be available probably after the 25th. Those special bundles, that's the only thing that's going to be available from the 21st and the 25th. But the first thing we have coming out on Monday is a new Scentsy Buddy, and I'm very excited because I don't think there's been a Koala Scentsy Buddy since I joined Scentsy 5 years ago. And this is Kosie the Koala. So from Scentsy it says, a cuddly new Scentsy Buddy is ready to climb right into your heart, inspired by our delicate cozy cardigan fragrance personality pattern. Kosie the Koala is sweet, soft, and adorable. With a cute removable cardigan, she's the perfect gift for a baby shower or an Easter basket. Kosie the Koala is $40 and comes with a scent pack of choice. She will be available March 21st, but hurry, Kosie is only available while supplies last. So, yes, you see this cardigan on her. That is removable, so you can just remove it and, or you could put it, probably fits on plenty of other buddies if you want to put the cardigan on another buddy. But the special thing about her is that she has a design pattern in her ears that is inspired by the cozy cardigan fragrance personality pattern. So very, very cute, but that is Kosie the Koala, and she will be a limited time buddy. And the Google form down below in the description box, that will be to pre-order any or all of these items. You can just use that pre-order form and I will reach out to you over the weekend and help you finalize your order. But that is the first item coming on Monday. So new Scentsy Buddies, always a very, very exciting. And then this is what I'm so excited for. We have been asking for like limited edition Scentsy Fresh sprays. So Scentsy Fresh sprays, those are for your hard to clean surfaces like fabrics like curtains and cloth couches and mattresses and comforters, dog beds, carpets, rugs, stuff like that. I literally use it on anything that I can that is like a fabric. So I will just go out through the whole house. I'll put it all over the rug. I put it all over the dog beds. Brandon's recliner is leather, but my recliner and the couch is like a microfiber top mixed leather hybrid thing. I don't know. I sprayed a little bit on there. All of the throw blankets, put it on the beds, Maddie's bed, our bed, any blankets in my office. Like, I love the fabric spray. If you have cloth seats in your vehicle, very, very good for that. And then also like the carpet in your vehicle, very, very good. So it's just an odor eliminating fresh spray. And so we have been asking for limited edition ones, and we actually had our first one last winter. It was a snow-kissed cranberry, and I'm very sad because I'm running low on that, but I'm probably going to put that to the side and use it for this coming fall and winter. But we have 3 springtime scents coming in the Scentsy Fresh spray on Monday while supplies last. So from Scentsy it says sorry, my voice is kind of going in and out. We're freshening up our Scentsy Fresh fabric spray with 3 fan favorite fragrances just in time for spring cleaning. Each of these Scentsy Fresh limited time fragrances will be available while supplies last, so you aren't going to want to miss out. Here's a look at the 3 scents included in this collection. The first one is Hibiscus Pineapple, which I think is the one I'm most excited for because like I've been like all about Hibiscus Pineapple lately. I don't know. Like I've just been more in that like fresh, clean, fruity, floral top mood. But Hibiscus Pineapple is hibiscus, pineapple, and a touch of sweet mandarin tail and enchanting tropical tail. And then the next one is Oh Snapdragon. And this one is exotic blood orange and sparkling pink pineapple are punctuated by fierce snapdragon. Also a very nice, fresh, fruity, florally top scent. These are all very good for spring. And last but not least, we have Watermelon Tangerine. That's going to be a Scentsy Fresh spray, so that's very exciting. Watermelon Tangerine is sweet watermelon slices spiked with juicy tangerine and dewy greens. So each of these bottles are going to be the normal $12 price, or we actually have a bundle and save deal for Scentsy Freshes. You can get 3 bottles for $35 and save you a little money there. But all of these will be available individually, and you can also bundle and save like I just said, but they're going to be while supplies last. So again, if you want to pre-order one or all of these, you can just use the Google form link down below. And if you want to do a bundle and save deal, you can actually bundle with other current Scentsy Fresh sprays that we have right now in the catalog. But yeah, I'm very, very excited for those. And then last but not least, certainly not least, is a very exciting thing because it is like a huge personal special. If you've been shopping Scentsy for a while, either me or your consultant has probably done a personal special in the past at some point. It's like personal specials, but without even being a personal special. It's literally going to be through the Scentsy website. It's from Scentsy. Scentsy is giving us personal specials for a full week as long as promotional items stay in stock. So here it is from Scentsy. There's a lot to go through. So, okay. Let's see. To celebrate Enliven the Senses Week, and I think I'm saying Enliven correctly. Build a bundle of select spring and summer 2022 catalog products and save. Keyword: the spring and summer 2022 catalog. It's going to be on catalog products. In January, Inspire the Soul Week invited us all to reflect on our accomplishments together in 2021 and set goals for the year ahead. One of our goals was to continue to celebrate the core values highlighted in our mission statement from Scentsy, which is to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunity selling creative, artistic, high-quality products that warm the heart, enliven the senses, enliven, and inspire the soul. Man, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I've never been able to say that word correctly. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I've been saying that wrong. I just looked it up, and it's Enliven. Bear with me. I've been sick this week. So, let me just start over with that. So now we're excited to announce our next installment with Enliven the Senses Week, celebrating the sensory magic of fragrance, beginning with International Fragrance Day on March 21st and lasting through March 25th. To make the whole week extra special, we're offering special bundles of select spring-summer catalog products that you can build with the fragrances of your choice. This is a great opportunity for you to stock up on your favorite scents while also branching out and trying something new. These bundles are available through March 25th or when inventory allocated for this promotion runs out, whichever comes first. Here are the spring summer catalog bundles that will be available for purchase beginning March 21st. So that's the key word, spring and summer catalog. So that's not going to include limited time offers. It's not going to include the scent and warmer or the scent of the month, and it's not going to include licensed items because we can't bundle licensed scents with regular scents. So whenever you have your spring and summer catalog, whatever items in there that are not licensed, those should be good to put in these bundles. So we have 6 bundles, guys, 6 bundles. We have 10 Scentsy Bars for $45. I know I've done the 10 for $45 bar deal in the past a few times, and y'all love it. Your consultant may have done this before. So this is not a personal special. You will literally be able to shop 10 Scentsy Bars, 10 catalog bars for $45 starting on Monday. The next one will be 5 Scentsy Pod twin packs. Oh, the 10 Scentsy Bars, that would be a total of $15 in savings, because 10 bars times $6 each would be $60, so that'd be a $15 savings bundle. The next bundle is 5 Scentsy Pod twin packs for $40. That is a $10 bundle, or $10 savings bundle, so you're getting one for free. So those will be the Scentsy Pod twin packs, the pods for the fan diffusers, the wall fan, the mini fan diffuser, the Scentsy Go, the air purifier, those pods. Next will be 5 car bar clips for $25. So I'm going to say the car bar clips, those come in a pack of 2. So 5 car bar clip packs for $25. Each one is $9. So each pack is $9. So that is a $20 savings. That's a $20 savings. Like, you're getting 5 for $25. So you're pretty much getting them for $5 a piece. 5 Scent Paks for $30. That is a, no, yeah, 5 Scent Paks for $30. That is a $5 savings. 5 Scentsy Car Bars. That is a 5 Scentsy Car Bars for $20. That is a $10 savings. And then 10 Scent Circles. 10 Scent Circles for $20. That is also a $10 savings. So again, let me read through these just in case my voice is really struggling today. 10 Scentsy Bars for $45. 5 Scentsy Pod twin packs for $40. 5 car bar clips for $25. 5 Scent Paks for $30. 5 car bars for $20. 10 Scent Circles for $20. I don't know how Scentsy is doing it, but man, they're spoiling us next week. So again, this excludes licensed products and scent of the month. Not eligible for host rewards, and it's available through March 21st to the 25th, or while inventory allocated for this promotion runs out, whichever comes first. Also, I want to mention that Scentsy will be hosting the biggest giveaway ever on their social media pages. So the details will be posted on social media throughout the week, so be sure to check their social media pages so that you can win the giveaway. So yeah, like a lot of stuff is happening starting on Monday the 21st. Again, the pre-order form linked down below. That will be for any or all items coming on the 21st. So launching on the 21st, we have Kosie the Koala Scentsy Buddy. We have the 3 spring Scentsy Fresh fragrances. Scentsy Fresh fragrances. The Scentsy Fresh scents. I don't know how to explain it. And then we also have the Enliven the Senses week with all those bundles coming on Monday. So be sure to try to grab things as soon as possible just so you don't miss out. I don't know how they're doing these bundles. I don't know how much inventory they've put set for these bundles, but I'm sure it's probably tons. I'm sure they're probably ready with these catalog bundles. So, but yeah, that's it. It's going to be an amazing Enliven the Senses week and International Fragrance Day. Super, super excited. Sorry for my voice. Can't really do anything about it. But I'm feeling better. So, I mean, I guess my voice will just have to Thank you for watching. I would love to hear down in the comments what you're excited for. What are you gonna pre-order? Are you as surprised as I am to see all these bundles and the savings? Like, it's amazing. But thank you guys for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me, and have a great day.